Hey my people, what's up? This is your girl Lock Looney Tune. Today is Lock Appreciation Day, and this is my contest entry to Who is Sugars. I like how my hair looks, baby. I like how my hair looks, baby. I like how my hair looks. Actually, I love how my hair looks. These are the locks. I'm rocking them, and basically, the reason why I like my locks so much is because they're versatile. I can do so many things with them. I can put them in so many different styles. Even when they were new, even when they were in their early stages, I grew to love them so much. I loved going through the process of locking my hair and watching it change. My hair is forever evolving, and I love this. These locks, this is my crown. Us as ladies, we are queens, and we rock our hair no matter whether your hair is straight, relaxed, locked, natural, regardless. These are our crowns, and I wear my crown proudly. So, this is my entry into Who is Sugars. I like how my hair looks, and that's it, guys. So, enjoy your locks, enjoy your natural hair, enjoy whatever you have sitting on top of your head because it is yours and you should appreciate it. Alright, guys. I should. Later. Peace.
Da 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 da. Little girl with the pressing curl. Age 8, I got a Jerry curl. 13 and I got a relaxer. I was the source of so much laughter. 15 when it all broke off. 18 and I went all natural. February 2002, I went on and did what I had to do, oh, because it was time to change my life, to become the woman that I am inside. 97 dreadlocks are gone. I looked in the mirror for the first time and saw that, hey, I am not my hair, I am not this skin.